Carlos here. Thank you for tuning in to the next video. If you have not yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you know when I drop the next one. Because the next one's actually going to be describing my giveaway. So finally hit 100 subscribers. Thank you very much to all of you 100. But I want to do a giveaway every time I hit a certain personal milestone on the channel. That next one will be how to enter, what it's going to be. Nothing too crazy. You know, I'm not going to be giving away, you know, $1,000 pair of shoes just yet. Maybe someday, right? Just a little token of appreciation to everyone that subscribed and commented and keeps coming back for those. Thank you. Also, do not forget to follow me on socials at Carlos and Kicks for Instagram and Twitter. So today, I mean, as you know, or right from the description, we have the Balvin Jordan 1s. So these actually released on December 8th. Retail was $190 from the box alone. I ended up with 11.5. So as I've said before, I use a few different sneakers accounts. One's 10.5, one's 11, and then one's 11.5, just because for some reason I think it makes a difference. So I use a few different accounts through this. Wow. A few different accounts through the sneakers app just to up my chances, because sometimes 10.5 can fit. Normally I'm a true to size 11. Jordan 1s, I can only do 11 or 11.5. 10.5 just does not fit for me. But luckily I hit 11.5 on a fairly new account that I've literally never purchased anything on before. So I don't know how that was possible. And I did it online on the actual computer, not through the app. Both of the ones I used through the app took a L. Somehow the one I hit just using Safari on the desktop hit, but here we are, 11.5. Label reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, multicolor black. So right out of the gate, as you can tell, I mean, one of the biggest differences with this shoe is the box alone. So it's standard, I guess, box shape. Colors are way different. You know, we don't have the red Nike branding on the top. We have that Starburst color there. And around the box, we have the Nike branding in pink instead of red that like we would normally see on the top of the box. So, I mean, right out of the gate, huge difference. This paper is amazing. We have the Balvin smiley face, the Jumpman logo, what is that, lightning bolt, basketball. Paper's pretty dope already. Maybe I should talk about these. Hold on. So Balvin said his whole concept behind this shoe was to try and capture his personality in a shoe. He said that he wanted to be the person who dared to change the shapes and go all out. So, I mean, all along with the box, you could see that. I mean, I love the way that they changed the box up for him, but didn't go like way over the top. Like the Nigel Sylvester box is a different box than we would normally see for a Jordan 1, but it's still in the same shape, same silhouette, same basic idea, just his stamp on it for the Balvin box, which I liked it a lot. I mean, that's so bright already, just right out of the gate. Man, these are just insane. So here we go. I mean, look at these. I don't even think I can sit here and take the time to explain every little thing that's on this shoe just because it's so wild, or try to go into every single color that's on here. It's just nuts. But, I mean, I guess I'll try, right? So, right out of the gate, one of the things that I really like a lot that I couldn't tell from the pictures, early pictures, or when he wore them on the Super Bowl, I couldn't really tell in the pictures as well, was the outsole and midsole color. So I actually thought that that was white, but it is actually the pink outsole, pink midsole, to match the pink on the Jordan 1 box itself on the branding. The upper is just as wild as you can see there. It's got a burst of colors, which is supposed to represent every color of the rainbow, Balvin says. And I'm pretty sure he did that. I mean, what color is actually missing, you know? Hopefully with this light, you guys can really get how bright and wild these are. Around the toe box, the heel, and the upper here, you have kind of extra material added. Also right along the lace, right at the beginning of the laces, I should say. So pretty much the entire shoe. You have this material added on there. Some areas, like on the toe box and the heel, it looks like almost like sun rays bursting out. And then on the heel cushion here, you have what looks like cloud shaped extra, which I like a lot. I don't really want to see people like customize them. Like, don't, you know what I mean? Don't start cutting that off. You could with like a knife, but why would you do that? I mean, that's just takes away from the whole wildness of the shoe. I like that it has a little black cutout around the Nike swoosh or underneath the Nike swoosh. Another aspect that I really love that is different, obviously, on this shoe than most Jordan 1s. I mean, almost every Jordan 1 I think I've ever seen are these Velcro patches. So you have these Velcro patches on the outside of the shoe, as you can see there. It comes with the Jumpman one put on that shoe, and then the smiley on this one here. And then you also get a couple of them, or a few of them, in a little extras bag here. You have a basketball and then a lightning bolt, as you can see right here. I think that's a cool little touch, especially just a nice little way to kind of customize it yourself. And it's just a nice little added extra there. I mean, no, you got to have one on there. So let's just put that back. I like that the patches also match the paper that's inside the box. It's a nice little tie-in, and we also get those logos, or that logo, on the tongue. So at the top of the tongue, on the left shoe, you have that smiley logo. On the inside, you have the Jumpman logo, and then you actually have the, hold up, let me make sure I'm aligned here. You also have the opposite on the right shoe. So you have the Jumpman logo at the top of the tongue on the outside, and then you have the smiley on the inside, which is super cool that they have them off like that, just so that you can see a little bit of both on the shoe. I also am a big fan that this tongue matches the outsole. So it's in pink, in case you couldn't tell. It's the same kind of light pink that matches the midsole, outsole of the shoe. And wow, I feel like every time I look at this, I'm just noticing different things. You also have that kind of extra material at the top of the tongue. You have that thick foam tongue that we see on the off-white Jordan 1s and some of the other Jordan 1s. But it's cut before, and it has that extra kind of sun ray material at the top as well. We also get 4 different lace options here, which I love. Give me all the lace options. Now, I'm probably just going to stick with one and then run it with that. But we have neon yellow, white, which definitely not using. Comes with black kind of pre-laced on there. And then we have the pink. I'll actually probably go with the pink. I'm all about matching the laces with the tongue. Black, I feel like, just stands out way too much against these colors and against this tongue. I want it to kind of mesh in a little better. The white will also stand out quite a bit. I think that pink's going to look super dope on there. And just blend in with the tongue a lot nicer than these other colorways. As you can guess, I am a huge fan of these. I'm a huge fan of Balvin and his concept and goals with this shoe of just making it different. You know, you gotta stand out, and he definitely did that on this shoe. They're getting a lot of hate on these just because people say they can't be worn, they don't know what to wear them with. I get that. I mean, this isn't a shoe that you're gonna wear every day. This isn't a shoe you're gonna throw on and rock to Costco or Target on a Sunday morning. You know, you're just not gonna do that. This is the type of shoe that you would wear New Year's Eve, out in Vegas, you know, something like that. I feel like that's definitely how where I would wear this, and probably just go all black, you know, some black jeans, black shirt, and I'm done. But these are fire, and these are going to be an amazing shoe to add to the collection. One that, you know, we just bring out every now and then. Again, it's not a shoe that you're going to wear the hell out of, which I normally don't do. I like to keep shoes that I'm going to wear, or I can wear a lot, because I like to wear my shoes. I like to beat them up. This is not one of them. This is one of those kind of special shoes that you just have out and you wear every once in a while. But let me know what you guys think about these. Let me know if you were able to cop a pair, and if so, how are you going to rock them? I'm excited to try to get some fit pics in these if I can, eventually, at some point, once we're able to go out. But that's all I have for you guys today, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.